So here we have a SAP GUI logon, which needs to be installed in your local machine. When you run this application, you will be seeing the logon pad, which is in the version of 770. So here you should be able to create a new connection information where you should be providing the detail of which is your system and what is your instance number and what is the description you want to keep it. So these are the information related to your SAP system, which you should be able to get it from your project team member or maybe from your basis team person. So here you should provide your application server. Once you provide these detail, and you will be having an option like this in your logon pad, and when you double click this option, so it will take you to that another screen, which is a SAP GUI screen where you have to provide your client ID and the username and the corresponding password which is given to you, and then the logon language. So by default we try to log in with English, so which is much easier for the development side. Once you provided that, if you press enter, it will take you to the no the next screen. So now we are in the initial screen of SAP system. You can see you have different menu options are available on the top of the screen, and here you have option called new GUI window. So currently I have locked into the system with the one window. If I want to have to work with the multiple window in SAP system, you can use this option as a new GUI window, or also you can use the slash O as a value, and when you press enter it will select the separate session can be created for the same application for your SAP system. So it's a second window is being created here. And if you want to open any particular transaction code or application in SAP system, you should be able to navigate to the particular transaction code via this command field, or also you can use the SAP menu functionalities. So you can expand these tools. So under that you have something called ABAP workbench. If you expand that, and you have a development, and you have something called data dictionary. So either you can double click this option, or you can enter the transaction code directly in the command field. So the transaction code for a ABAP dictionary is SE11, it's SE11, and then press enter, or you can use the option in the down to execute. So you can see that it is execute or enter is a keyword, your keyword, your key value. So you can just execute. So this is your initial screen of your SAP ABAP data dictionaries. So here, as you see here, also you can see on the menu there are different options are available. So it depends upon the requirement, you can utilize the different menu option on the menu area. And then you have this area called, this area you have also additional functions are available which you can execute. And this is the body area where you should be able to how display your content. So you can open any particular table in the system. So since I know there are a lot of tables are already available, you can type the table name and press display. Since this is a standard table provided by SAP, so we don't want to go and change or create, you can go on display just to see what it is there in this table. So here there are different areas are available, which we can see is attributes, data mention. Then you have something called as a tab called fields. Under that you have all the definition for the table is available. So just to see the overview of how the SE11, the data dictionary transaction is looks like. And if you want to go back, you can use the option here back, or also you can use the option called exit here. So you can just use the back button, it will come back to this the initial screen, and same way you can press it back one more time, it will back you to the initial screen of your SAP system. That's on this particular topic, just how to log in and how the look and feel of your SAP system via GUI logon. Thank you.